Using permissions, you can choose what users can and cannot see in the Sellercloud system. To manage all of your permissions, go to Settings. Click on the Employees menu and choose Manage Employees. Click on the employee ID and view a detailed summary of each employee's information and history. Go to the Toolbox. Click on Permissions and view all of the permissions each employee has. Pick all the categories that you want your employee to have access to. Additionally, you can always check on your employee's login history for full transparency of their activity within Sellercloud.